Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, YouTube babies. Hello beautiful. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make this lovely top. It's so easy, beginner friendly. It's so nice now for the hot days. So this is the kind of top you can wear with your favorite trousers, skirt. It's a statement. This mine is I made from a lurex. No, it's not a lurex. A knit, metallic gold knit. This top is very easy. Let's analyze what we have here. So we have the fabric, we have double fabric, we have the tunnel, and we have the strap, a long strap. So let's get started. So the materials that you will need is thread matching your material, stretch material. It's better for this kind of work. Sorry about noise. You can choose any knit that you like. Yes, so I'm going to use this one. Yes, that I'm going to use to make something for my catwalk show. So you need your sewing machine, matching thread, your material. I'm going to use bias tape because it's very quick to do the strap. It looks nice because it's satin, you know, give that posh look. Yes guys, I'm going to show you all the tools that you need to make this lovely top. Your sewing machine, matching thread, yeah, that matches your material. Stretch material is the most. So I will be showing you all the tools that you need to complete this lovely task. Matching thread, the stretch material that we need. Yes, this top is made from stretch material to make our lives easier. Satin bias tape, or you can make for the fabric, but I like to do it the bias tape because it's very quick and very straightforward. You know what we love. We like to make our lives easier. Sharple, scissors, tailor scissors, measure tape, and yes, of course, your machine, yeah, your sewing machine. This is a very straightforward tutorial. It's super easy and you will love it. I'm going to prepare my overlock machine. Going to sew the threads. I was sewing in royal blue. Now I'm going to sew for black. This tutorial you don't need to have an overlock machine, but yeah, if you have one, it's good. It will benefit you. I forgot to mention this. You need your sewing machine, normal, an overlocker. If you don't have, I will show you the way that you can do this. Yeah, let's change the thread quickly. Okay, now I'm going to compare the measurement. This top is a size 8-10 UK, so I'm going to measure here to here to see, and I'm going to see the width and the length, because this is it's a rectangle, right? You can see, yeah, this is a rectangle. Yeah, you can see the length we have 35, but don't forget that we did here like a tunnel. Okay, this tunnel like 2 centimeters. We fold it, so we have 35, 37, 39 plus 4, so this in total have 44 centimeters. And width, let's do the width, 20. So, and the seam allowance, so we have 22. So we have, guys, 44 by 22. We'll have a rectangle with 44 by 22, and the strap is like around 2 meters. I love this. I love gold. I love gold so much. Yeah, beautiful. I love gold. This is so let's get started with material cutting. Yes, a rectangle with 44 by 22 centimeters. We are talking in centimeters. To fold your material with the wrong side face up. Yes, you need to, this is the gray line. Yes, you need to understand the gray line as well. But to have that cone neck style, instead of cutting like this parallel, we're going to cut it like this, 90 degrees, to have that cone neck style. It's very, very gorgeous. So let me try to explain. So you have this green line, usually you cut in parallel. What you're going to do, you're going to do like a triangle, like this. Yes, like a triangle. The opposite. And we're going to cut it like this. So you're going to cut this like napkin. I'm going to simplify with a napkin and you will understand. So this is the napkin. Basically what you're going to do, this is the green line, usually green line. Usually you have the green line, and when you put the pattern, you put in parallel, right? But in this case, what you're going to do, you're going to fold it like this. Yes, and this side will be our rectangle. So this will be our pattern, the 42 by 22 or 21. Hi guys, I'm so tired. So this is our pattern. Yeah, this kind of things, when you have cold neck styles, they take too much fabric because you want to have the drape, and the drape just works when you rotate the material to 90 degrees and not on a parallel. Yes, the same with rounded skirts. There is 90 degrees, so you put your finger, you can see there is 90 degrees. So guys, now I'm going to mark a middle point to find 21 and 21. And when you double, it's going to be easy. Yes. So guys, I'm putting here the measurements that I need, that we spoke about it. When you fold it, automatically you have a good finishing already. This is the top, this is the bottom. Let's cut. Let's cut. So now you need to align everything. How you align things, you put this one over this one and you align. See, it's bent. For me guys, sewing is about experimenting, doing wrong, doing right. It's about mistake. You learn as you go, so don't be afraid. So you have always your scissor to align, to cut, and to put everything right. Okay, this is the rectangle. Let's turn to the right side. You see, it's aligned. It's much better than was before. As you can see, you're going just to place a straight stitch here. This is very straightforward tutorial. After this, you're going to the overlocker, you turn, overlocker, and you turn, and just, it's missing the strap. You see, this is very, very, very easy. I'm going to do a straight stitch now, here, and the thread. So guys, just a straight stitch. This is very and easy, straightforward tutorial. Just a straight stitch. Let's go. Yeah, make sure you use stretchy needle. Yes, or stretch materials. Oh, I already finished to sew here. This is the top, this is the bottom. Let's go to the iron to put everything straight, flat. Kind of materials, make sure you put the cloth on top. I always do. Just give a good press and good steam to have everything nicely. Now that we iron, let's go to the overlocker And after we fold it, straight stitch, it's missing this. I love the match satin with velvet. I think it's so luxury. What do you think? Yes, I'm going to do overlock. Going to pass overlock like this and like this. So this is a crop top lady. If you want, you can increase, just add more few centimeters. Yeah, this is a crop top. Yes guys, now I have to do voiceover. You can see after the overlocking I did. Look how neat and nice is the overlocking. You can give a tiny note to avoid it to thread. Yes, and now we're going to turn it and place a straight stitch. I like to do this. It's very easy and straightforward. Like I said to you, sewing for me needs to be easy and fun and quick. If you don't have overlocker, you can just turn, fold twice and place a straight stitch. But don't forget to add more seam allowance, because you are taking, you need to put it back. Think always like this: when you take, you need to put it back. Yes, this looks so nice. It's looking so nice, this top. I really like velvet. It's very, very nice. Guys, the next step, look. I'm zoom out for you to see properly now, guys. After sewing the tunnel, sorry, after sewing the tunnel, we're going to do the last step, that is make the strap. The strap I'm making from this bias tape, satin one. Looks very nice. I think looks expensive because satin, velvet, nice materials. I'm just going to fold it because they come naturally fold, so it's very easy. Just fold and go to the machine. You place a straight stitch. It's very easy. It's nice and looks right. It's not wrong. If you want, you can do for the fabric if you want, but this is the easy. It's very practical, very straightforward, and just put the straps with safety pins and voila, it's very easy, lovely. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Now you have the surprise. Ta-da! Look at the model on the catwalk. Lovely. See you.